Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Nintendo error code 2813-0993. The error reads, "The eShop is not currently available in the country or region associated with your Nintendo account." This error comes when users try to access the Nintendo eShop, but it doesn't load and shows the error instead. According to our research, this error is likely caused when the Nintendo account is set to a region that doesn't support access to the Nintendo eShop. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to check and update your account settings. To do this, go to the Nintendo account website and log in. Then navigate to User Information, then select Profile. Then choose Change next to the country region setting. Then select a region where the Nintendo eShop is supported and click Save Changes. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, power cycle your Nintendo console and then try accessing the eShop again to see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try re-entering your Nintendo account login on the console and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you contact the Nintendo support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.